When you visit a website and enter your details, you click on register. A window pops up to save your username and password. The convenience of this is very tempting and people often click to save. Let's assume you are on a tea break and your coworker decide to use your PC. Once they are into your browser, they simply click on password, and this now gives them a list of websites that you have visited where you have saved your password. So the one that we have saved, you can see the username, and if we click to view, it shows us the password. Now remember, this is your Facebook, your Twitter, your banking details. Every single time you click to save, all the information is displayed here. So your coworker could take out the phone, take a picture, and they have access to all of your account. Remember, this is not a hacker. This is your coworker that has access to it. A 5-year-old kid could click on this menu, click on password, and get all of your information. The first step to ensure your online safety is to go to all your browser and remove all your password. Never save your password in a browser. Again, if you go to your local computer shop and hand them over your PC or your laptop to fix, remember that the technician there now has access to all of your safe password if you do not remove them from your browser.